Okay, we are going to the beach right now. The beach is like 1.2 kilometers away from here. Alva?
1.2.
1.2. It's gonna take us just 4 minutes. We're in our beach outfit, you know, the shorts and t-shirts. I know that we are very close to the beach. We searched for a beach resort actually, but then none of those were in our budget, so I just didn't even look at that side. Okay. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಂ I don't know, it's rerouting a lot. I don't know where we went. Yeah, we are going to the Morjim Beach, by the way. Am I pronouncing it right? No idea. Please don't take it offensive or anything, because I have no idea, bro. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕು. Come on. Okay, 50 कोडो ब्रो. बाद में 2 व्हीकल हाँ हो गए. This is the Morjim Beach. He's setting up a time lapse right now. Even I'll have to do that right now. Looks so good, bro. There's very less crowd in here, and I really like that. You know, it's a very good vibe in here. Okay, so time lapse is done, photo shoot also done, and now we are going back. Okay, so we are going back. Beach was so much fun. I love beaches. We are going back to a room right now. I know this video is kind of short, but I'll just put out everything what I shoot. I don't care if it's short or if it's long. No, I care if it's long, because I can split it into 2 parts, right? So yeah, anyways, you guys like content, so I'm just gonna keep putting them. Goa is so much fun, bro. We have been having very good food lately. excellent. Alright guys, I think that's it for the day 2 videos. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.